So here is the PowerTrack being used on the demountable partitions here. These are 3 different systems here. This is a Klein roll glass system where we have a sliding door that goes back and forth. And in this case, we're able to mount the PowerTrack right up into the channel where the side light would normally go. The door would go back and forth. This is a takeoff cover. We make all of our wiring connections here. So the door would open and close, and the wiring is all internal. And then we have this wiring point here and a cover to conceal everything. And this could be painted or finished in whatever to match the extrusion or whatever. This is the same system on a door Macaba. And this is the Muto Premium XL system, which has a spring on the end and self-closing. And again, this has the same idea. Here's the PowerTrack mounted below, as you can see. And we have our takeoff points again.
Fail points for us, like our transformer can fail.
Same wire takeoff. So the wire comes from the glass, goes to here. We cover it up, and we've got that. Then we have a more exposed system that we conceal. That's with the CRL system. This is a CRL 702 series. Same idea. You don't see any of that hardware. It's all concealed behind the cover here. And again, we have our connection points here, mounted on the roller track. We cover it, then we put our cover over that. And then last but not least, this is for a Herculite door. And a Herculite door basically is a system where you have the glass pocket in here, the glass sits in here, and this door has to open and close. And this is a walking beam pivot. So what we do is we bring the wire right out of the pivot itself, right out the top, and we have a modified walking beam pivot, and the wires go right out the bottom, right up into the junction box up on top. So when the door opens and closes, the wires are all completely concealed inside. So that's the way you have a Herculite door without any wires whatsoever.